Hello, this is Zach Null, recording for CIS126, Intro to Python. This is week 3. Alright, let's begin. This week you wanted us to go through, set up our work environment. So just to recap that, it's already right here on my quick, but it's right there when you open up my C drive. Right, sorry, there. And then, as you see, I've got all of that. I pretty much just followed you step by step in the video to create all of that stuff. Pretty easy, straightforward. Didn't know you could do all that stuff with the command line, so that was pretty cool. Enjoyed learning that. How about the Hello Python, or Hello World? Let's see what we got. Oh, that one's not working today. Let's open that up. Huh. What do I bet if I go to run it though? It's weird. So now why won't that run when I just double click on it? Is it maybe because I have this open? Hold on. Oh, I didn't mean to end. Uh-oh. We'll come back to that after. Let's try this again. That's peculiar. Let's try... Well, that works. Well, I'll come back to that one. But I made the Hello World. It worked. I don't know why it's not coming in through the command line right now. But if you see it in shell mode, here it is. Yeah. And then I also found this one. Well, it started as one that I found online, and then I just kind of kept going from there. So, yeah. It's pretty straightforward. It runs through the command. Actually, yeah, I'll run it through here. So, it's only set to yes or no right now. If you do anything but yes or no, it'll exit. So I'll just, even no, it'll exit, but we'll do maybe. See, it just closes. I'm still trying to figure out how to work out it to reset itself. But so hopefully next video I'll have that. But want to play a game? Yes. It's converting numbers to binary. My name's Zach. What's your favorite number? 24. Least favorite number? 11. How old are you? 27. It says how old I am in binary. It tells me I look old. Then it tells me my favorite number. Then I set it to do enter to exit. So I'll open that up really quick. That's mainly what I was working on for the week, trying to mess around with different stuff. Threw some comments in to let people know that that question has no meaning. I just did it for fun. Used a couple different things, did some variable assignments, tried using an else-if statement. As of right now, I haven't figured out how to make it go for, like I wanted to originally make it go for the error part, and when it says try again, instead of exiting, I wanted it to reset the loop. But I haven't figured that out. I'm sure it'll be something silly when I do, but until then, that's that. So that was kind of fun. But I don't know how, but that led me into my next project, which is my random number generator, which didn't seem to be working. I was just typing something out on it, and I figured I'd start my video and see how it went. But okay, so this just hit an error before, and I think my problem is I haven't quite figured out how to do multiple things on one line. But if I do this for now, that should, let's try it out. Okay, so no errors yet. Alright, feeling lucky. This is a random number generator, 1 to 100. I want you to see if you can guess what 4 numbers will pop up. Guess number 1, 23. Guess number 2, 45. 3, 7, number 4. I'll have to figure out a way to space that out. I don't like how that's so clustered. It kind of looks like 123. But this is the first time I've run it, so. And then 74. Alright, let's see how close I get. Oh man, that kills out way too fast. Alright. I meant for it to be slower with the calculating in between and stuff. I'm sure there's a way to put like a time in between. But if I was playing a game, I would have lost. I didn't catch any numbers. Alright, so let's get rid of the exit though. Because we don't want that to be so quick. Ooh. I know we can do string input press any key for answers. There we go. That'll slow it down a little in between. Alright, and as you see, I've found how to do an items list. Kind of pretty basic. I found it through, let's see, not that one. Oh, here we go. No, never mind. Python had this nice little write-up that I found. So far I'm working with the fun with lists for the random number generator. And further, I'm going to see if I can make it kind of go one step more and match up any numbers you get to let you know how much you got out of 4. But until I get to that, that'll be another day. But that's about all for this week. So hopefully I'm on the right track. Have a good week. Take care.